Did you want to open Outlook Mail in your mobile phone and you have no idea how to do that? Then yes, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will be exactly showing you guys how to open Outlook Mail in mobile phone. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to internet and you have already downloaded Outlook Mail in your device. Now let's jump into the process. Open your Outlook Mail. Here we go. Now you have to enter your email address first of all. And then tap on add account. This is very easy and simple process. It will take you just few minutes. Now you have to enter your password here and then tap on sign in. Tap on next. Again tap on accept and then tap on continue to Outlook. If you want to add another account, you can tap on add, but for now I will be skipping this process and I will be tapping on maybe later. You can see that I have easily logged into my Outlook Mail in mobile phone. I hope now you guys are clear about how to open Outlook Mail in mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.